Hi guys, welcome back to my channel JoSum Akula. It is amazing to see you guys after one whole week. Hope you guys had the best week ever. So today is going to be a super fun, exciting episode because I will be taking you guys with me to all my favorite restaurants and I will be showing you my favorite dishes from each of these restaurants. So it's going to be exciting. And also, it's been so dull since few days in terms of weather. Today I got lucky and today is a beautiful sunny day. So an amazing day to hang out with you guys. Let's see how many we can cover, guys. I'm hoping to cover at least 3 restaurants. And these are the restaurants I hang out at when I don't feel like cooking at home. So, and I'm sure if you guys ever visit those restaurants, you might just see me there for sure. Guys, I tried to cover 3 restaurants today, but I was unable to cover them. So I've done two of my favorite restaurants. So let's see my favorite dishes from these 2 restaurants. I cannot mention the name of the restaurants due to trademark issues. I've tried to shoot as much as I can, so enjoy. Let's go.
उसकी आँखों में फैला काजल बातों से करती घायल सांसों में उसका ही है नाम मेरी
My today's dish is inspired by an amazing chef called Vikas Khanna, and he's made this pineapple curry recipe. I happened to taste his dish and I fell in love with it instantly, and I had to try it when I got back home. So today I will be making my version of the pineapple curry recipe of Mr. Vikas Khanna. So let's see how it's done, guys. Red chili powder as per your tolerance. A little bit of turmeric powder. We'll flavor the pineapple pieces, so we'll take some hot water in the pan, and to the water I'll add 1 bay leaf, 1 star anise and a couple cardamoms. Once the water is boiled, I'll add the marinated pineapple pieces. I will let the pineapple pieces cook and absorb all the flavors of the spices. Cook in the water with the spices for about 5 to 10 minutes. Let's close the lid and cook it in a medium heat. Cook it until the water evaporates and the pineapple pieces become tender and soft after absorbing all the water. This actually tastes amazing already. Like, I just tasted a piece and it's amazing. Add some cooking oil and some mustard seeds, few methi seeds, few curry leaves, dry red chili. We'll add a small cup of onions. A tablespoon of grated ginger garlic. Once the ginger garlic is well cooked, add a cup of soaked cashew nuts. A spoon of salt to taste. A spoon of turmeric powder. A spoon of black pepper powder. A tablespoon of coriander powder. And add a cup of coconut milk. Once the coconut base comes to a boil, add the pineapple pieces. Once we added the pineapple pieces, just give it a nice stir and cook it for about 10 minutes in medium heat and close the lid at this point. The pineapple and cashew nuts in the coconut gravy is now ready. Enjoy the pineapple cashew nuts curry in coconut sauce with rice or roti or just by itself. I mean, I love to eat this curry just by itself, and it tastes delicious and it is amazingly filling and yum. So do give it a try. My today's 2 cents is on my favorite word, gratitude. Guys, gratitude is the only thing that turns what we have into enough. And also the only prayer you say in your entire life is a simple thank you. Then always remember that it will be enough. The bottom line is, gratitude is the healthiest form of all human emotions. So the beautiful message I want to pass with this 2 cents is, be grateful, be thankful for everything in your life. And trust me, that will be enough. Today I'm feeling extremely grateful and excited for life because there's so many new opportunities, there's so many good news that's coming my way that I'm actually excited. And I'm hoping that you guys are also having a great day and a lot of good stuff happening at your end as well. I'm hoping you guys had a great time today with me watching my video. Thank you so much for watching my video today. And please make a note, guys. I will be posting my videos every Wednesday and Saturday at 9 a.m. PST. So I'll be posting 2 days a week. At the same time, I would love your feedback. So do comment down below to let me know if you guys are liking my content or you want some changes in my content, or if you want to see something new. Let me know, guys, in the comment section down below. Until I see you guys next Wednesday, have a great weekend. Bye-bye.